Hi everyone, I will show you how to stop your Instagram account from getting hacking. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, then tap the three lines on the top right, then tap setting and privacy and go to account center, then tap the password and security, then tap the two-factor authentication and tap your account. Now there are three options: authentication app, second is text message SMS, and third is the WhatsApp. But I will choose the second option, the text message. Select the option and tap the next. Now enter your phone number and tap next. Now the Instagram is sent you a SMS. Go back and open your SMS. Now I will receive the code from the Instagram and enter the code and tap next. Now the two-factor authentication is on and tap done. Now the Instagram will be secure. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.